Hey guys, it's Carl McClarty of McClarty Films. How do you like that room sound? It sounds like I'm in a giant cathedral or something with a lot of reverb. And that's because I'm using the AudioWow by Sabinetek. And it is a Bluetooth microphone with a sound card in it. So I can do all of these cool sound effects and mixing in real time. So I'm just going to demonstrate a couple of these things really fast, and I just want you to know I usually don't use these things as much. I simply use it as my audio track for my YouTube videos. But it is neat to see all of these tricks because it packs a lot of tricks in it. So right now I'm going to show you that you can change the pitch of your voice, and there are some preset settings. So this is like a deep man voice.
And so if I wanted to talk like this, and let's say we were shooting a movie and someone wanted to cloak their voice like this is kind of a cool effect. And then you can go the other way and bend the pitch up.
And this is called the women's voice. And then also there's the baby voice, which is really cranked up. And then
electronic voice, which kind of sounds crispy fried, digital fried, whatever you want to call that. And then a robot voice. So that's kind of neat. I'm going to go back to the normal one. And then there's also a 5-band equalizer. So you can set that however you want if you're good at mixing. And there are also prefab settings, so like a bass heavy. This is with my voice with the bass cranked up. And then there's a treble setting with the high end pumped up. And then a beauty, let's see what that sounds like. So this is the middle, and the high end. And then clear, we've got the 400 hertz and 800 hertz cranked up, and then soft. Okay, so you can hear those different settings. Now I'm going to just go back to custom and leave it kind of a neutral setting. And I am monitoring this, so I can hear those effects right now. Let's see, what else can I tell you about this thing? It has a lot of cool tricks. So like I just discovered this one. If you're playing, if you like singing, you can play any YouTube video, and it has a setting where you snap your fingers and it actually erases the human vocal track from that recording, and then you can sing on top of it, and you can mix it and record it yourself. So if you're into karaoke, or if you like singing, that's really cool. And I just experimented that with the first time, and it's pretty incredible because it erases just the human voice for the main vocals. Sometimes the backup vocals you can hear a little bit, and I can't really demonstrate that because of copyrights. But I was singing Somewhere Over the Rainbow by Brother Is. It was pretty amazing. And let's see, what else do we have here? I want to make this just quick. I'm showing you my, you should be able to see a screen recording. I'm just doing this on my iPad because it's easier to do screen recordings. What else can we do here? Yeah, you have noise reduction for room noise. You can mix with music and record. It can, after you record, you can create an automatic transcript for many different languages. So it will convert your audio to text, and then at the end of the video, it will export that as an SRT file, I think it was. You can also automatically record your phone calls. So if you take your call and you're connected through the app, it will record your conversation. And I've done that before for YouTube videos where I did a phone call, and then this one with my friend Rob in Taiwan, and I'll put the link down here below. You can see.
Heaven is the first session. The first weapon is truth. So
Hello?
喂，你好。
OK， 你好，这样。
你这样子就像我外婆一样的，他就把手机放在他的那个内衣里面。Of our call, and you can hear what that audio sounds like where it's recording the phone call conversation. Some really quick notes about how I use it. I use it to make YouTube videos. I've used it for cameras, phones, VR cameras, everything, and it's just nice because it's a tiny little device, but the audio that comes out of it is crystal clear, and I really enjoy using it. It is small though, so make sure you have some kind of audio. This is my audio bag of tricks, and I got all kinds of stuff in there for my audio, but that way I don't lose it because they are small. It charges with the USB-C cable. It comes with these headphones so you can live monitor. Let me see if, yeah, we're at 1. Monitor, my mic volume's at 64%. Okay, I'm gonna take this out. Hopefully this doesn't hurt your ears too much. All right, so now I'm not monitoring, but what is cool is in the app I have a, I can see kind of the wave files, so I can make sure that I'm actually getting a recording. So what did I do that for? I wanted to show you that it comes with a clip, and so with a lot of lavalier mics, you can kind of lose that bass, but what's cool about these is that it's built in and it's pretty sturdy, so it's not going to come off. And it has, it has one button here. You kind of long press it, just like Bluetooth devices, and you connect your Bluetooth first to your phone before you launch the app. And the app works so that you can, right now I'm recording the audio only, but you can also use the app which has a camera, and you can record with their camera app. But I prefer to just use the audio separately and mix the audio in post. I can't remember if I said this, so I might be repeating myself, but I'm going to go ahead and go over my list here. I mentioned it has a wireless sound card, so you have all the special effects, reverb, you can change your voice, real-time mixing, 5-band equalizer, the karaoke function, automatic transcripts, and 5 to 6 hours of battery life, and then it takes 2 hours to recharge. Oh, and it only weighs 15 grams, so I'm not sure how much 15 grams is, but it's ultra light, and it's a pleasure to use. And it comes with some headphones, and it's got a little windsock. It's very cool, and it's basically always with me in my bag. This is a must-have for anyone doing YouTube videos and anyone that just wants to have nice high-quality sound in a small package, and it's very affordable. So there you have it, my friends. I will leave a link in the description for purchasing. Just so you know, I did buy the I bought a 2-pack of these. This is the first product that they had, and they were the Smart Mic Plus, and these work great as well, but they don't have all the mixing functions that this one does, because it doesn't have a sound card in these, but they're great as well. And they have a package now where you can get one of each of these, which I think if I were to do it again, I'd probably get that package, because then you can use this as a receiver and a transmitter, or whatever they call it, MS, master slave. So they link together, and then you can use third-party camera apps and go live on your phone. And the other thing is, like, if let's say the battery died, you'd have a backup. It's always good to have 2 audio devices for backup when you're recording stuff. Yeah, so thank you for watching. This is called the Sabinetek AudioWow, and it's a great product. And let me know if you want to see more about this device. I've used it for a while now, and I've been wanting to launch a video, but just finally got around to it. So I have recommended it to several friends recently, and I thought it's time to make a YouTube video for the channel. Thank you for watching. Peace. I'm Carl McClarty, McClarty Films. This is the AudioWow by Sabinetek, and I will see you next time. Adios, amigos.